Hey there. Welcome to my channel. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Now let's get started.
Make $1,000 a month selling your digital downloads. Contrary to popular notion, selling products online is not that difficult. It is not exactly easy, but it not too daunting too. There are many things that you can sell. If it is legal, you can sell it. Some of the files that you can sell are: Number 1. Software programs. Number 2. E-books. Number 3. Stock photographs. Number 4. Templates. Of the list of files above, an e-book is the easiest to create. It is also one of the most popular items to sell. Creating an e-book won't cost you anything apart from the time and effort. The most common format for e-books is a PDF, but many people also publish e-books for popular devices such as Amazon's Kindle. Any word processing software like Microsoft Word or OpenOffice can be used to create a PDF e-book. Once you have finished writing the e-book in OpenOffice or Microsoft Word, you simply need to export the document as a PDF file. The appeal of an e-book lies in the fact that it is easily accessible, and does not require physical space when compared to physical books. This reason alone makes them quite easy to sell. Many people are after information only and are not so concerned about whether the product is physical or not. Another product that is easy to create are stock photo images. You will need a good digital camera and an image editing program to create the photos. If you do not want to buy commercial image editing software, you can download free software. The best free image editing software is GIMP. It's not that difficult to create and sell your own digital products. And there is no harm in making some extra recurring income from selling digital merchandise.